are here just to talk. We're gonna talk. It's been a while. We are very sorry. Please forgive. I'm sorry.
Messy.
Yes. So we are struggling with our hair.
Oh,
we are being very honest. As you know, on this channel, we keep it
real.
100 at the other zero, please.
Well, yeah.
And we're struggling. Like, my fro is stressing me out. I don't even know where to start. I don't know why. I can't explain. It's like the shape is getting on my nerves. You see this like parting that keeps happening. I don't know why that's happening.
And we keep having debates whether it's Lush or if it's some of the products we're using. I don't know what it is, but it has something to do with the weather and the Lush product, I think.
We're not like serious hair gurus that do 50 things at night. But it's just always worked, and now suddenly it's like a struggle. And my hair, I'm like, am I losing hair? But when I stretch it, it's still there. But I'm not getting this every time I do my what is this? You see what I mean? What is this? What's going on?
Keep it together, man. No, this hairstyle has taken me ages to get to. Like, I had to only do just 2 braids. So Lydia asked me this morning, what kind of braiding is that? And I'm like, girl,
I was like, what's going on with you?
it's just to get this kind of hairstyle. Usually I do 4 parts, but I had to do 2 this time. I'm like, okay, what's going on?
Yeah, I feel like a big struggle is just living in England. The weather is unpredictable.
No vitamin D.
It's hard. Yeah, you're not getting like, barely getting any sunshine. It's hard to even drink water. I have to force it down my throat, and I have days where I don't because it's cold and all you want is tea, or I don't know. It's hard to eat fruit when you're freezing and stuff, you know what I mean? I mean, we're not built for this anyways. My DNA is not wired for all of this.
No, African, eh? From Congo, and I'm born in July. Same for me.
So we're actually coming to you for some help. If you live in a cold state, country, or whatever, or have you ever experienced what we're talking about at the moment. One thing I've had to accept is that my hair is gonna be a lot shorter than I like it until it gets hotter. It's kind of annoying for me because it's like I took so much time to like get my hair to a length that I like, and gravity is not hitting the fro the way I like it. My ends keep coming off, which is natural with like our texture of hair, especially type 4. It's just more than usual, and it's, I don't know if it's stress. I don't know, and I'm losing it. I don't know. I need help. All right, I need somebody to tell me. And so I don't know. And so my hair. No, I don't know. Help me. I don't know. You ain't gonna know like that. Ain't nobody gonna help you. You keep saying I don't know. No one's gonna know about you.
Summer's around the corner. So we probably just have to wait till then. I mean, like, we are getting a little bit of sun.
You haven't been panicking.
The clocks?
You haven't been panicking.
I have
You
been.
haven't been panicking. You haven't been panicking. You haven't been panicking.
That's not even what I'm saying. You
What are you
lot are my
saying?
witness.
Does that even make sense? What are you saying?
I'm saying maybe we just have to wait till the summer comes. I think summer is our
Maybe.
solution. We've been getting fake sun, yeah? We need to go somewhere, I don't know, tropical or something to get it back on track. And more protective hairstyles. You heard?
I hear nothing but lies. L-I-E-S. Lies. Lies. You see what I mean?
On here. Huh?
Do you see what I mean?
Yeah, I don't.
What's going on?
And our fringes ain't been the same.
This reminds me of the Grinch when he wins and then he's handed over that shaver and then he just shaves the guy's head. This is what is going on. I'm not gonna be a picture perfect YouTuber. I'm just gonna tell you that I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know. I don't know. And this is one of the struggles with our hair and our texture more than anything. It's just when you don't have the coils to rely on, you just have kinks, which are beautiful, and we embrace them, we love them, we accept them. But the management of them and the styling of them is what just can be so stressful, especially when you like it to be a certain way, or you know, you just want to feel yourself. Let's say if I want to look, you know, spicy or something, and then I just feel cute with this. I don't want to feel cute. I don't want to feel cute right now. I don't want to be cute. I don't want to be cute, okay? I want to be spicy, and this is not letting me be spicy. Do you understand what I'm saying?
I understand you,
If I have a soup, and I want that soup to be spicy, I want the right this right here.
Don't worry, pal.
Don't worry, pal.
Don't worry, pal, because we're gonna fix this together. See, I tried to be. What else we have to do? Just more natural ingredients, like still make our own natural moisturizers, I suppose. Because Lush just ruined our texture.
Don't ever
use Lush. Don't use Lush
ever. But we did get our hair back after that. We did get it to like a level where it was okay.
And it'll take years to get the bleach out in it.
This is just our rant. We're not giving up on our hair. We're gonna keep it going.
Call it the natural hair journey. After all, it's a journey.
The journeys.
So
ain't easy.
Up the face.
Hey.
Get back up. We fall. Get back up.
So guys, make sure you follow us on Instagram at Lydia and Alma. Comment below what you want to see. Any advice to help us save a sister, please. Bye guys.
Bye. Thank you.